Small upgrades can make a massive difference in any shop, whether you're in a garage shop like me or in a professional one. Stick with me, we're gonna be going over 3 upgrades that I'm gonna be doing tonight with you, all for less than $100. This is going to up my overall productivity and feel of my shop, so let's see what we can do. Thanks for tuning back in, guys. Tonight we're gonna be going over 3 changes you can make to your shop. These are upgrades, whether it be lighting, bench dogs, or protecting your workbench from all the glue and stains that you use on a daily basis. I'm gonna go over 3 upgrades that really costed me less than $100 total, and are gonna up my overall productivity and feel in my shop. So appreciate you guys tuning back in. Feel free to like, subscribe if you guys get anything out of this, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. We do have some massive builds coming up here soon. Gonna be doing a desk for my brother-in-law and a console table for another client, so stick around. All right, first upgrade we're gonna do tonight is going to be some extra lighting. Anyone that woodworks probably knows lighting is so important, not only so you can see the piece you're working with, along with being safe. If you can't see what you're cutting, probably aren't being very safe. So these are super cheap. I got these for less than $15 a piece. I want to say a Northern Tool. I'm not sponsored by any of the brands you're going to see here today, so make your own decision, whatever works for you guys. These are 4 feet long, 5,500 lumens, and linkable, so I don't have to take over extra outlets. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put a time lapse in right now. Check it out. Let me know if you guys have any questions. All right, as you just saw, we got the lights installed super quick and easy. I think it took me 10 minutes at the most. Gonna have to rerun some cables, get the cable management better because it's non-existent right now. Next up, we've got workbench protector, I guess you could call it. This essentially, I'm going to mount this PVC pipe through here and mount it to my workbench so I can easily roll it out and stop any stains and glues, things like that, from getting on my workbench all the time. So, all right, so this is gonna be super quick and easy. I am literally just going to take a Forstner bit and run it through, so then this PVC can go through the sides of them. Now, this PVC is 1/2 inch. And this is gonna be about, I don't know, 1 1/8 inches. This is the cap for it. So this is gonna stop it from slipping out constantly. So super quick and easy upgrade. This is just going to be able, essentially just so I can have this mounted to the workbench. And then whenever I need it, I can just run it over and protect the workbench from any stains or glues, things like that. So nothing crazy, super cheap, super easy. Let's get to it. All right, so I've got it held together with quick release clamp, super easy. This really doesn't have to be pretty. It's just gonna be seen by me and then me. So nothing crazy. It's not a suit, it's not gonna be the superpower of my woodworking career, but it's gonna help. That's all that matters. All right, well, here it is installed, super easy. Again, this is just gonna be so I can roll this out and protect my workbench whenever I'm doing any staining, glue ups, things like that. Really nothing too crazy, but man, it's gonna save a whole lot of chiseling off glue and having to remove all that stain I use. So, all right, I took it off the tripod just so you guys can get a little bit of a better look at it. So again, it's just 2 pieces of 2x4 mounted to the workbench, PVC running through it. Got a nice little reel for some, I guess, construction paper. I don't even know what you call these, but fantastic upgrade. It's gonna save a whole lot of time. Okay, so next upgrade, super quick and easy. I'm gonna install some of these bench dogs. I have no idea why I haven't bought these sooner. These things are like less than $20 on Amazon for 6 of them. Had to go with the red. Big fan of Skill. Not sponsored. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and install these. It's nothing too crazy, but nice thing about it is they do have pads on them, and they make a ton of different accessories. You can get ones that, clamp the piece down, things like that, along with the cones that you can stick in there. So whenever you're staining, it's up off your your workpiece. So yeah, let's dive in. All right, again, just taking you guys off the tripod, have the bench dogs installed. Again, there's so many different things you can do with these. One, like I said, they have the pads on there. So, your work pieces aren't just on straight metal or wood. Along with, you can get clamps that would go in here and clamp that way or, backwards. So you can press your workpiece up against here, and it's basically, it's a vise. So super quick and easy. This upgrade costed me less than $20. And now I've got to go order a ton more. All right, guys. Well, that is it for this video. Again, this was just 3 super simple upgrades that are going to help me, and I'm sure they'd help you too. Nothing crazy, but makes a big impact. I can already tell with the lighting front and back, making a big impact. The bench dogs are going to help, along with the new rollout paper right here. I'm no longer going to have all these stains everywhere. So let me know what you guys want to keep seeing. I love making these, these tips and tricks videos. I've got some really big builds coming. Next video should be of a big desk I'm building. It's going to be an L-shaped desk. It's going to be beautiful. So tune into that one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what you guys want to keep seeing. And thanks for tuning in.